Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This won't have too much about Corel Draw, and I just picked a file that I was working on today to run out to the shop and make. One of my viewers or subscribers gave me a little tip. I don't ever, if I'm going to send this to a customer to approve, I'm just going to take a screenshot of it and send it. But a lot of people, and you can see the size of my laser bed, a lot of people send PDFs. So I saved this as a PDF. I didn't export it, I just saved it as a PDF and I called it PDF 1. Then this is a suggestion they made. This thing is a little over 9 and almost 8. So make your page size 9.5 by, let's say 8.5. And then put your two items that you want the customer to view into that page. And then save it as a PDF. And here's the difference. I didn't see the difference because I was using Corel to open it up. But if we go to just a normal web Windows version and I click on this PDF, this is what the customer sees. You know, it's nothing to do with zooming versus this is what the customer is going to see. A lot more. It just, one, it looks better, and two, it's blown up and they don't have to worry about what other stuff's on the, you know, outside that other page. So I think that viewer subscriber, because that's a pretty big difference. You know, this is just a Corel file that I turned into a PDF, and it looks much better for the customer. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.